Very good morning, everyone. Hello, wishes and the viewers. There is a presenter, new presenter. You will watch the video and you will appreciate the students so that they can be motivated and they can be impressed by the motivation, positive motivation. And here's the presenter, Jubair. Jubair, you can explain your journey and you can start.
My dear teacher and my dear friends, thank you to give me a chance to present about the Merchant of Venice. We read that Merchant of Venice is written by William Shakespeare. It is Antonio, the rich merchant of Venice, his friend, Bassanio, his good friend.
Yeah.
It was Portia. Shylock, the Moneylender, the Venice city. Antonio's ship.
Ships.
Antonio was the once upon a time there lived Antonio in Venice, Italy.
Yeah.
He was very rich merchant. He had many ships that we see that.
Yeah, exactly.
It go many cities, countries and come with many goods that Antonio sells. Antonio sells
In Venice City.
In Venice City. He had a close friendship with Bassanio that we see. Bassanio was come from a noble family. He spent money more than he earned. So for this, most of time he spent in short of money. And he went to Bassanio for money. Antonio money for money. Antonio helped him by giving him money. And Bassanio fell in love to Portia. So he went to visit Portia with a grand manor in Belmont with many servants. So he had made money. For this he went to Antonio for money. Antonio gave 3,000 ducats. Antonio asked him what amount of money you need. Bassanio said, I need 3,000 ducats. Antonio said it was not a problem, but I have not that money at that time. But you don't worry, my friend, I will be able to manage your money. So Antonio went to Shylock. We see that it was Shylock. He was a moneylender. Antonio and Shylock he had each other. Antonio Shylock lent money with high interest
And then the condition.
high interest and commission. But Antonio lent money without any interest. Antonio going to Shylock for money, and Shylock was agreed to send his money with a condition: if Antonio failed to pay the money in 3 months, he will cut a pound of flesh in any part of his body.
Yeah.
Then Antonio
Right.
take the money from Shylock and gave his friend Bassanio.
Okay, second part. Okay, and go to the second part and the quickest question.
Bassanio went to Belmont with a great manor and many servants.
Yeah.
Portia's father has died. Portia's father has died lately.
Yeah.
Before his death, he thought of a strange plan to find a best husband for his daughter.
Daughter, yeah, exactly. That's good.
He has 3 caskets. One is made of gold,
Yeah.
one is silver, and one is
Exactly.
lead.
The black joke.
Firstly, the prince of Morocco tried. He think lead and silver are poor metal.
Yeah.
So he think
Cautious
precious
picture will be
metals
in the
were well
golded
ended in the
gold casket.
caskets. When he opened the gold casket, he found a picture of skull with a message that all the glitters is not gold.
Very good, exactly.
He was very sad and he went to the home. Secondly, the prince of
Okay, you can
Spain.
look at the audience.
Secondly, the prince of Spain come. He looked at very much time to the silver casket. The written on he who chooses me get what he deserves.
Yeah, that's
So
right.
he feel very high opinion to himself. When he opened the silver caskets, he found a picture of blinking fool.
Yeah,
He was
exactly.
very sad and he went to his home.
Yeah. Then last one is
Last was in is Bassanio's turn. He think appearance of often be misleading. Bad men appear good to hide their inner and ugliness.
Ugly, exactly.
So he chose the lead casket and he found the portrait.
Look at the audience.
Of, and he found the portrait of Portia.
Yeah, exactly.
Where they are living
They get
together
married.
with, they get married and they live happily, but a message changed their happiness.
Yeah.
The message written on that by Antonio said, "Dear friend, I can my ship was lost in the sea. I cannot pay the money, so I will pay the penalty. Please come to see me. I would like to see you
before my death."
death."
Exactly.
That train. When Bassanio went to the Belmont, Antonio was the court of justice.
Yeah.
When the Duke entered the courtroom, the trial will begin.
Yeah.
The Duke said Shylock to be
To be
merciful
merciful.
to Antonio and do not climb his pound of flesh.
Exactly.
But he had no pay.
Mercy. He had no pay.
He didn't
Listen.
listen the Duke.
Yeah.
The Duke was very sad that he cannot do nothing for Antonio. He think if the wisest lawyer of Venice come there, he cannot save the Antonio.
Ultimately, we said that in the disguise, Portia came here and
came here with
also requested Antonio, requested Shylock to be merciful.
but be merciful. He said, God bestows mercy who are merciful to themselves.
Yeah.
Mercy, Portia said, is blessing to anyone if we pray mercy to God, but God pray mercy.
Love them, who love them,
them
others or
who are
hate.
merciful to others. But
Ultimately, finally, Portia. Portia said, requested also, disagree, Shylock. Ultimately, Portia look over the bond and find tricks to defeat Shylock.
Shylock didn't listen the Portia. So he said that I need my pound of flesh, the law on my side. Portia asked Antonio if Antonio can pay the money. Bassanio cried out. He said he can pay the money, even 10 times of this money.
Then ultimately, Portia said that okay, you can count a pound of blood, but there will be no any single drop of blood.
Can't to Antonio. He said, ready for Antonio, Bassanio, ready Antonio, Shylock would cut a pound of flesh from your body. The law is on his side. So and Shylock was very delighted. He said, "Oh, the wisest lawyer, you are the second Daniel who came in the earth." Then
Ultimately, Shylock was defeated by tricks of Portia. Okay, and Antonio was saved. So, have a big hand for Joel. Yeah, what a marvelous presentation. Now we are watching this. Audience, you will evaluate and appreciate positively so that they can be a clear speaker and a smart speaker. Thank you very much for the nice presentation.